Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have a super fun video to share with you, and it is going to be on none other than Princess by Kilian. So this is actually the original formulation. It comes in a 3.4 ounce bottle, and it is the round sphere bottle. And I'm really excited to review this because I didn't know about Kilian when they had these bottles. So now they have redone the packaging, so they're more like their regular bottles, or they're very similar. And I've never smelled it before they changed bottles. I don't think they've changed the formulation. Some people say they have, but I actually, fun story, did purchase this perfume with the newer bottle in a Kilian purchase probably 6, 7-ish, somewhere around there, months ago. And I got the Love Don't Be Shy, and I got Princess, the little set that it came in, and I tried that, and honestly it was very faint on me, and so for the price I ended up returning it. But I didn't know about the packaging and all that. So now that I've discovered that, I got my hands on a 3.4 ounce bottle, the original formulation and bottle of the Princess Kilian. So this is 100 milliliter, and we're gonna unbox this together. I'm very excited, and we're going to try this out. I almost feel bad opening it because these are really hard to find unopened, but I am going to be wearing it. It is going to be part of my collection, and you know, what's the point of having something if you're not going to open it? Or at least that's the way I see it. So very excited. We're going to open this and unbox it, and I'm going to smell it. Now, as I've said, I have smelled this before. I do really like it, but I had the newer bottle that it's come in, and I didn't think it was very strong. I thought it smelled really nice, but it didn't last more than maybe like 45 minutes to an hour on my skin personally. But I'm really intrigued about this, and if anything, I think the packaging, again, looks really neat, and it'll be fun to have in my collection. So, without further ado, let's unbox this bad boy. It's actually packaged really nicely. Just a little packaging ASMR for you. Sorry if you hear my kids in the background, it's the afternoon. They're outside playing and having a ball. Oh yeah, it feels nice and heavy. So that's what it looks like. And then I did check the batch code. There is a batch code on the bottom of that. I don't know if you can see it, but let's get to what we came here for. I'm so excited. This is a really beautiful matcha green tea, marshmallow, and ginger fragrance. Oh, it's so pretty. I can see where people got aggravated or frustrated with the packaging, but this is so cool. I really kind of wish they wouldn't have changed it. That's just me. But this is it. Oh my God, yes, Kilian. It's so pretty. Oh my God, look at the bottle. That is so pretty. Okay, I'm having a full-blown moment. So apparently the bottom comes off here and all the juice is in the top. This is what it looks like. It says, I don't need a prince by my side to be a princess. My baby in the background. Okay, so I am gonna spray this. Ooh, look at that, it's so pretty. Okay, now let's spritz this and see what it smells like. Okay. Oh, yes. Yes, it smells the same. But it does smell a little bit more potent. It smells a little alcohol-y, and I'm thinking maybe that, I mean, it could be where it's sat for a long time because, I mean, it is, I think, a couple years old. But the bottle actually goes like that. It's kind of hard to see. But anyways, and then this goes back on. Oh my God. It smells so good. Oh my goodness. It's so sweet. You can smell the marshmallow and the green tea and a little bit of the ginger. It's such a simple fragrance, but it smells so good, and I'm so excited to wear this. So yeah, that is my unboxing of the Kilian 3.4 ounce original formulation, which is no longer made, or at least it's not made in this packaging. So it's actually really heavy too. I feel like you could chuck that at somebody. Not really, just kidding. But yes, this smells very good, and I'm really excited to enjoy this and add it to my collection back there. So yeah. looking forward to using this. I'm going to do a Kilian collection soon, so stay tuned for that. I will be posting that. So yeah, if you'd like to check me out, you can go to www.sonoidapecancompany.com. I'll leave the link down in the description box here. And you can check out my hand cream and body butters as well as my lip balm. And thank you so much. Please subscribe, like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks. Bye, guys.